start this video. This camera be showing super clear. Like I said, it's gonna be a quick little POV video, man. Plus, I'm gonna tell y'all about some shit that I got coming. About to go to the gas station first. Right now, I've been looking for some drag wheels. Not the tires right now, just the wheels, man. So y'all comment down below and let me know, like, if you got a Scat or whatever kind of car you got, what type of drag wheels you got. Because right now, I'm not gonna even tell y'all which ones I'm looking at, but I'm pretty much set on one right now. And the color, I'm not getting a full drag setup. I'm just getting the rears and some tires. That way, if I want to race or do something like that, then I would just switch the tires, like, you know, when I get ready to go to the race. I was gonna get a daily radio, but I don't even race like that, so I'll be wearing down the tire for like no reason. Now it's gonna cost me more to get a rim in a tire, but because I don't even like race like that, that shit's gonna last me like forever. Now, if you did see my last video, or my last second to the last video, I'm not for sure, I am getting headers installed next month, and I'm also getting an E85 tune. So I'm right now looking for the HELLCAT injectors, so I had to get a real E85 tune. If you didn't know, I had like the first fuel kit, and you know, they run E85 like that, but when you get a tune, it's like more legit. You know, you feel the power. Plus, I want to get the car tuned anyway, with the headers and my intake, and then plus the, like I say, the E85. So let me go ahead and get our light pull real quickly. Try it. So I don't got no gas right there, boy. I hear them pops, man. Wait till I get the headers, boy. This shit gonna be sounding crazy. Yeah, so anyway, like I said, I'm looking for drag rails and the wheels. I'm pretty much about to order those in the next couple of days. I'm just still trying to figure out which ones I want for sure. Like I said, y'all comment below if y'all got drag wheels, rails, what brand y'all got, so I have to check it out. I'm pretty much gonna put this video up before I even buy what I'm talking about, so I'll be able to see that, just in case I want to look into them or whatnot. But so as far as performance, pretty much it's got the headers, E85 tune, and you know, the HELLCAT injectors right there. So I mean, I went heavy on the cosmetic stuff, but now I'm just trying to do some performance stuff. I mean, if you just get a tune alone in this car, it's gonna completely weight this car up too. Like, you just didn't even not even E85 tune, just tuning the car, it makes the car, like, you know, way faster and whatnot. But I'm getting an E85 tune, dyno tune, plus all the other performance little parts I got. I'm looking into, now if y'all got a thought about it, now I don't know, I feel like it's a waste of money right now. I don't know, like, it's 300 bucks, and I didn't really see no videos that prove to have no real gains on it, so I probably don't get that. But I feel like I should get that if I'm like going headers and everything else, just to add something else. I don't leave the car on, man. No big deal, man. Y'all see the Scat thing, boy. POV. Y'all see it, man. Like I said, I give y'all a quick walk around. Y'all see the Scat. I don't know how it's looking on the camera.
Ooh. What's up?
Alright, man, we back on. What it do, playboy? Look at that Camaro, boy. Hey, give me a roll, Jack. Ain't want no smoke. Y'all know I do some Camaros, boy. I don't know smoke, boy. Yeah, man, I stay like pretty much like 15 minutes from the Script. Not too far. So I'm gonna just go down there. I don't know if it's gonna be busy or not. Well, it is Sunday, so it may be kind of crowded, I don't know, but I'm just gonna drive up and down by one. There go another Camaro, man. Come on, give me a road, Jack. That's a blue one too. What? Y'all know me, but I switch it to the where he at? Yeah, he don't want it, man. You probably know about me, honestly, boy. I wouldn't want to do it either, boy. Y'all know I do Camaros. I ain't even hold you though. On the road, they do move, but you know, this guy just built different, man. Anyway, man, I'm turning this back on and get close to the Script, man. Ain't nobody trying to run nothing. Let me see, man. Get y'all a light slight. Y'all hit a win. Light slight. Damn, ain't no cars right here. Trying to save light little gas. Now I didn't fill my car up because I'm gonna get like 30 cents off on Tuesday. So why fill up for at a higher price? So just if you wondering, like, damn, he didn't really put no gas in there. Now I did, but I just didn't fill it up. All right, man, I'm gonna hit y'all back once I get on the Script. Y'all see, man, all this so regular to me now. I know some people like, damn, this crazy, but this so regular. I stay here for pretty much like 7-8 years, so this shit regular to me now. But if you ain't been here, I ain't about to give you no tour, no shit like that. But I am about to drive up and down Las Vegas Boulevard about 1 or 2 times. But now, if you're not already, make sure you follow my car Instagram, because I will be in California next month. So I know I just went a couple weeks ago, and then I had made a post and a couple people hit me up, but I wasn't really out there, you know, and I didn't have too much free time. I was out there, but I was there doing stuff with my girl and shit like that, so I didn't really have time to break away. But this time I'm gonna have time. So like, if you're in California, make sure you follow my car Instagram if you're trying to link up, because I will be out there. And, you know, meet up with a couple people, do some little car shit, because I am getting my headers installed. So yeah, just make sure you follow the car Instagram, man. Shit, don't look too busy. Yeah, man, I'm probably just gonna slide up here about, yeah, I'm gonna go down and turn back around, man. It is, oh no, it is busy, man. Y'all see the traffic, yeah, man. Y'all better just look alive right now. I'm gonna go ahead, put this back, man. Y'all better just look now, because I'm gonna go down. Damn, I don't even want to get back in there. I'll see the traffic, man. I'll see, man. Take it in, man. Light, so light, man. What it do, black boy? Yeah, what it do, black boy? Hey, wait, hey, where you at? Home Depot. Why? They don't sell car parts at Home Depot, Jack. Hey, you on the camera right now, boy. Hey, you ain't lying. Hey, I'm telling you right now, well, hey, I was just telling him I'm about to grab these little, you know, drag wheels. I ain't telling which ones, but you know, hey, I don't think I'm about to pull the trigger. Alright, man, that's pretty much it. You see we stuck, what's this right here? Is that McLaren? Sheesh, boy. Yep, it was McLaren, boy. But anyway, man, like I said, I'll be in California next week. That boy Rush, he be out here this week, man. We about to go to the this little race event, man. If you seen, I don't even know, I be forgetting y'all, but like, I don't know, 1 or 2 videos ago, my boy lost to AMG, man. Spinning ain't winning. He was on some ball 305s, but hey, got tire setup coming, so I get a couple runs in. But it was just a quick little POV, little discussion video, whatnot, man. Showing y'all a script, telling y'all what I got planned, just in case you ain't been watching the videos and shit like that. But that's pretty much it, man. I'm gonna go ahead and end it off.
Look, was on my grind, it was my time. I ain't think twice. I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Police storm at me, charges never stick. Fucking niggas up in Vegas, like pocket 96, 11 past 11.